guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make magaj. There is different way of pronouncing magaj. So I'm gonna say magas, I'm gonna say magaj. So whatever way you use to call it, and this is what we are going to make today. It is so good to eat, and it is super easy and required just what you're seeing right here on my table, on my counter, which is besan. And very important to sift your besan. We need powdered sugar. We have full cream milk powder. This is optional. Traditionally Magas does not have any milk at all, but you can just skip it. I would like to add a little bit of full cream milk powder just to get a little bit more flavor. And then we also need some ghee without melting. The ingredient will be down below in the description box. And then we also need some freshly ground cardamom powder. And then for topping we need some pistachio. You can also use chopped almond. Just use whatever you have on hand for topping. And now let's go to the stove, and then we're gonna start making the magas. I have a non-stick pan heating over low heat. Add the ghee and let it melt. Add the besan. Slowly mix, and this has to roast between 20 to 25 minutes. Keep the heat over low and just babysit this. Do not leave it. Keep mixing. After 10 minutes, this is what you're looking for. This is how the magas looks like. Liquidy. Don't you worry about that. It's going to get thicker, but this has to roast. It's been another 15 minutes, and you can see the color. I really like this color. I like my magas to be in this color. It is nice brown. It looks like the besan has been roasted well. And now add cardamom. I like to add fresh ground cardamom. Now I'm gonna add this milk powder, and then now stir it quickly. And now heat off, and we're gonna remove this on a side and let it cool a little bit before we add the sugar. Our magas is at room temperature, like warm, not cold completely. And now I'm gonna add this powdered sugar, and I'm gonna mix it. Just mix, and that's all we have left to do. I have already greased a pan on this side, lined with parchment paper, and I have greased the parchment with some ghee as well. All the sugar has been mixed. You don't see any powdered sugar, and there is no lumps as well. Just you have to like mix very quickly. And now I'm gonna bring my pan here, and this is going to go on the grease pan. Spread it evenly. When you put parchment, and when the barfi, the magaj set, and then all you have to do is just lift the paper, put it on a table or your working counter, and then it's easy just to cut it. It will just come out so easy. And now I have some chopped pistachio. I think it is so pretty. Then just slightly press them down, just gently. It does look like chocolate to me, but I'm telling you guys, this is going to be so good. You guys are gonna love this. Now you have to wait at least 3 to 4 hours before you slice this, because this has to set completely. And this is looking so gorgeous. I can't wait to try them. For now, I'm just gonna leave you. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.